Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your phone using your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One. And all you need to have for this is just USB-A to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have USB-A to Lightning or USB-A to micro USB. Now let's connect USB-C cable to the phone, and then at the back side of the speaker we have this plug at the top. So open it, and right here at the right bottom we have USB-A port, so connect USB-A cable right at this port. And after that we need to turn on the speaker, so press and hold power button at the top. And now we should see, that it starts charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!